Okay, there's been a lot of talk about getting the TVS King into neutral. Some people having problems with it. Some people making suggestions about doing it with a clutch halfway out. Uh, that is not a good idea. It will cause wear on the gears and on the clutch. So let's show you the proper way to do it. Just start that up. Take the handbrake off. Right, if it's in first gear, to get back to neutral, see, it can be a bit tough. The way to do it is just ease it out, let it move an inch forward, and you can go into reverse, into neutral. The same as if you're coming from reverse. To get it back to neutral, just move an inch and into neutral with the clutch fully depressed. Do not do it with half clutch. It is not a good idea. It's going to cause damage to your TVS King, and you really don't want that. So again, even if you get stuck in second gear, go back to first, just move a little bit and it goes easy into neutral. Again, see, you only need to move an inch. I had people say, oh, what if you're right up to behind somebody? You really shouldn't be that close to somebody, that is the answer. You should always stop with a distance between you and the vehicle in front. See, now I'm having a problem getting into reverse, so back to neutral, reverse. I'm sorry about this microphone wire keep falling down. So that is it. It's the simple way to do it. It's the correct way to do it. It's the way it's been done on twist grip shifts for over 40 years. When I used to have a Lambretta scooter, that was the same. You used to have to just let it move an inch and then it will go into neutral, no problem. But ideally, when you're coming to a stop, just slightly before you stop, move to neutral. If you're stopping at traffic lights, you know you're going to be there a while, shift to neutral before you stop completely. And when I say before you stop, I mean so that you're going less than walking speed. Don't put it into neutral and freewheel. It's a dangerous thing to do. It means you're relying totally on the brakes. Just don't do it. Do not freewheel. And remember to subscribe, leave a comment below, and hit the like button.